They've worked really hard. They have persisted. They've had the support of their wonderful families and exceptional teachers. You have been educated in a culture that is all about scholarship and study. Thank you. Thank you for working with us. Thank you to all of the teachers, exceptional teachers and support staff. It's an effort collectively. And congratulations to the 2018 HSC class. Thank you.
On behalf of the graduating class of 2018, I want to thank the entire Santa Sabina community for giving us the opportunity to dream big, to share ideas and to follow our passions within the comfort and safety of the school environment. And as much as it is satisfying for many of us to be accepted into the course of our choice, tertiary study is not for everyone. But whatever career path we take, we can be assured that our education has provided us with the confidence and knowledge base to make a valuable contribution, seeking the truth wherever we may go. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I just want to let you know how proud I am of these beautiful girls that started from Mary Bailey all the way here to High Achiever Assembly. So Mary and I are extremely proud of them, and we wish them all the best and God bless to all and all their friends as well. All you girls.
After watching the High Achievers Assembly from Year 7, it's a really good feeling to see our achievements here at the Assembly today, and we're so proud of each other.
Yeah, we couldn't be more proud of the class of 2018, our collaborative efforts, our individual efforts, and just how far we've come as a year group.
Yep.
And I think it's the best achievement we could have asked for at the end of the day.
And this is a 125-year anniversary. We're loud and proud, and we congratulate Santa Sabina.